One of our biggest problems with wild camping is powering my laptop, which is just the most power hungry beast in the world. So we bought an inverter. How much was our inverter?
That one was £70, but actually the 300 watt version was £45.
Don't know. So why have you bought a 500 watt one?
Because we've already got a 300 watt one, so
Okay.
I figured we'd get another one. The plan was to see what it would cost to go wild camping.
Okay, so we're going to connect it now so I can charge my laptop.
So that's the inverter. All you do, it comes with a couple of power cables. Connect them on the back, they're screw threads. And it's quite simple. It is quite simple. This van only has the one battery. Lift up the battery compartment.
Nope, I gotta hold it.
And then pair off the terminal. I'm going to go for pause first. Get a good perch on there. And then that's it.
Yeah, making noise. Leave it turned on, come back to plug my laptop.
So what I'm going to do, because we're going to be driving while we're doing this, I'm going to flatten these down so that it will work quite nicely.
Oh, when you said flatten, I thought you meant flatten the battery. You mean lie the terminal bits
flat,
down.
yeah.
Sorry, I see what you mean.
We're just going to have to be very, very careful when we...
We'll just put that in loosely rather than connect it properly. Awesome. Right, I will plug my laptop in.
And switch it on when
Thank you.
We're talking about a good time. We're chasing every moment, all the good nights. We're always looking out and it's a good life. We go